Okay, folks, so what I want to do in this video is just show you where some resources are for you to describe the Week 8 assessment for your Radar Observer endorsement. This is an STCW endorsement. It's what we've been working towards these first few weeks of the NS293 Radar Lab. So we posted some resources here for you. They're in the modules. So I'm at the 293 Lab page. I go to the modules. And the assessment's going to be in Week 8. So we're going to go down to the Week 8 module. Okay. And in the Week 8 module, or a Radar Observer Assessment, there's this page. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is click on that page, and it's going to take you to here. Okay, and so here, basically, we've got some links to some practice videos. This is a sample answer sheet, okay, but I'm going to basically tell you what it's going to look like, okay? So you're going to have to do 3 exercises, okay? Each one's going to be, you're going to have 20 minutes to do it, just like we've been doing quizzes in the lab. One of them is going to be a paper plot. So this is not the paper plot, but anyway, we'll give you R's and M's, and you'll have to connect the R, do that stuff, and you're going to have to answer these questions. These are going to be the questions you're going to have to answer for each assessment. So there's CPA, TCPA, target course, target speed for all targets. Looks like there'll be 4. And then there's going to be a problem target. It's either going to be 1, 2, 3, or 4. And we're going to want to know the new course to avoid and the new time of CPA if you were to alter course. Okay, and the new speed to alter or the new speed to avoid, and if you did that, what would be the new time of the CPA if you altered speed? So what's the new course to create an MX at a CPA, and we'll give you a course in speed for your vessel, and we'll give you an MX in the CPA, and you'll have to use that data to create a paper plot and then answer those questions about that problem target. This is something we've done in the lab. Okay, now. So there'll be a paper plot, there'll be a radar plot, there'll be another radar plot. And of course, on the radar plots, you'll have to extract the data off the radar screen just like normal at time R and M. Okay? Now, there are 5 practice plots. And if you click these links, they'll take you to little YouTube videos. And in those YouTube videos, we'll start off a lot of times we'll have the key will be available right off the bat, and it'll show, okay, here's your MX, here's your CPA, there's your course, there's your speed. And then what will happen is as the video goes along, I'll be pulling all the R's and the M's off the radar screen, and I'll be saying them. So you won't be able to actually pull the R's and M's off because this is a video, but I'll say them. You'll need to write them down on your radar plotting sheet for target 1, target 2, target 3, and then plot them. Okay, and then the video will go on for about 20 minutes. At 6 minutes, I'll call off the M's. Okay, I'll call out the M's, and you'll write the M's in. And then the video will go on until minute 20, and then the time will end, and then the key will show up again. And if you finished within that amount of time and you did it right, you'll pass the assessment. Okay, so there are 5 of those. Okay. You can see all those links right there. You need to practice on your own. If you don't practice, you're probably not going to pass this assessment. If you don't pass this assessment, you may not be going. Anyway, you need this for to go on cadet shipping, your co-op. You need this for your license. So anyway, you got to practice this. All right. So anyway, that is the introduction to that and the resources for it. Good studying.